Hello students, we know the formula of standard deviation and square of standard deviation is the variance. Now we learn the another formula for how to calculate the variance or another formula or formulae for calculating variance. By definition we know that is variance is equal to sigma is the standard deviation, sigma square is the variance is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi into xi minus x bar square. I is going from 1 to n. So this can be written as is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi, I is going from 1 to n, and you know the expansion of x minus y square, x square minus 2xy plus y square, that is xi square minus 2 into xi into x bar plus x bar square. The divided properties of summation, this can be written as 1 upon n summation of fi into xi square, I going from 1 to n, minus 2 is constant, x bar is constant, out of the summation sign, 2x bar into 1 upon n summation of xi into fi into xi or xi into fi plus x bar square into 1 upon n, x bar square is constant of 1 upon n into summation of fi, I is going from 1 to n. So you know that sum of all frequencies or summation of fi is capital N. So is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi into xi square. Now sigma square is this. So variable is x here. Instead of variable x, if you take variable y, summation of fi into yi minus y bar square. So precisely we can write sigma x square, sigma suffix x square. If you take the variable x, if you take the variable y, sigma y square. If you take the variable z, sigma z square, or d, sigma d square. So you remember this. So fi into xi square minus 2 into x bar and 1 upon n summation of fi xi, I going from 1 to n. This is the x bar, formula of arithmetic mean, plus x bar square and 1 upon n, this is the n. 1 upon n upon 1 upon n means 1. X bar into x bar square minus 2x bar square plus x bar square means minus x bar square is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi into xi square, I is going from 1 to n, minus x bar or minus 2x bar square plus x bar square means minus x bar square, 1 upon n summation of fi into xi, I going from 1 to n, minus x bar square, or x bar is the 1 upon n summation of xi fi and its square. So next step I will write here is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi into xi, I is going from 1 to n. sorry, here fi xi square, not fi xi, fi xi square minus x bar means 1 upon n summation of fi into xi, I is going from 1 to n, and square of this. So this is the another formula for calculating variance. 1 upon n summation of fi xi square. So you have given the variables and corresponding frequency. You take the square of each variable, summation of fi xi square minus x bar with arithmetic mean and its square. So this is the another formula for calculating the variance. First formula is this: sigma x square is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi into xi minus x bar square. So you remember this formula for calculating variance. So we solve some examples on that variance. Before that, we see that the variance is independent of change of origin, or square root of variance is the standard deviation. Standard deviation is the independent of change of origin. So we see that result. Prove that variance is independent of change of origin. Solution or proof. Now by definition of variance we have what we have? Sigma x square is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi into xi minus x bar square. And we have to prove that variance is independent of change of origin. Means xi minus x bar, you subtract and add some arbitrary number here, then there is no change in the formula of variance. So you have to see the another formula of variance. So you compare that formula to here and you check the result. 1 upon n summation of fi, I is going from 1 to n into xi, you subtract and add a, capital A, where a is arbitrary, minus x bar square. So again, this can be written as 1 upon n summation of fi, I going from 1 to n, xi minus a plus a minus x bar. So you put di is equal to xi minus a. Suppose this is di plus a minus x bar and its square, where di derivation is equal to xi minus a. And using the formula of x plus y square or a plus b square, you have. So is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi, I is going from 1 to n, into, so di square, then plus a minus x bar square, then plus 2 times a minus xi, x bar into di, or di into a minus x bar. Then properties of summation is equal to 1 upon n sigma x square is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi into di square, I is going from 1 to n, then plus a minus x bar is constant term, a minus x bar square into summation of 1 upon n summation of fi, and you know that summation of fi is the capital N, plus 2 into a minus x bar is constant into 1 upon n summation of fi di. I is going from 1 to n. So is equal to, so this is the 1 upon n summation of fi into di, I is going from 1 to n, plus a minus x bar square into 1, then plus 2 into a minus x bar is constant, and 1 upon n summation of fi di. What is the 1 upon n summation of fi di? So 2 into a minus x bar into 1 upon n summation of fi di. Now suppose you take, this is equation number 1. I will write next step here. Now what is di? Di is equal to xi minus a. We know if di is equal to xi minus a, then arithmetic mean x bar is equal to a plus 1 upon n summation of fi into di. I going from 1 to n. A plus 1 upon n summation of fi into di. Now from this, what is value of a minus x bar? A minus x bar, a minus x bar is equal to minus 1 upon n into summation of fi into di. I is going from 1 to n. So you substitute a minus x bar, suppose this is 2. Then using 2 in 1 we get using 2 in 1 we get. So what is 1? Sigma x square is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi di square, not here di, fi di square, fi into di square, I is going from 1 to n, then plus a minus x bar plus a minus x bar. What is a minus x bar? A minus x bar is this, and its square, minus 1 upon n summation of fi di, I is going from 1 to n, plus 2 times a minus x bar. A minus x bar is this, plus 2 times summation, plus 2 into a minus x bar, means a minus 1 upon n summation of fi into di, I is going from 1 to n, into 1 upon n summation of fi into di, I is going from 1 to n. So here minus 2 times 1 upon n fi di and its square. So what is wrong here? So you need a minus x bar square. A minus x bar square means I forgot here square. Minus 1 upon n summation of fi di square, because you need a minus x bar square plus 2 into minus 1 upon n fi di square, means minus 1 upon n fi di and its whole square. So is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi into di square. I is going from 1 to n, minus, here minus 2 times, and here square of minus 1 square means 1. 1 time this and 2 times this means minus 1 upon n, minus 1 upon minus 1 plus 2. Here minus, and here minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 1 upon n summation of fi into di, I is going from 1 to n and its square. And what is this? Now you compare. So your previous different formula for calculating variance, sigma x square is equal to 1 upon n summation of fi xi square minus 1 upon n summation of fi xi and whole square. So only instead of xi here di. So this is the variance in d. So sigma d square. Sigma x square is equal to sigma d square. This formula is sigma d square, means variance in d. Sigma x square is equal to sigma d square. So you change the origin, means the formula of variance is independent of change of origin. Therefore, variance is independent of change of origin. And if you take a square on both sides, you get if you take the square root on both sides, you get sigma x is equal to sigma d, means standard deviation in x is equal to standard deviation in d. So again consequently we say that the standard deviation is independent of the change of origin. So next lecture we see some examples using this formula variance. Thank you.